with House Type Home Insulators in Athens, Ohio. I'm here with Kim Dean of Dean's Heating and Cooling and Brad Hoon of JB Hoon Design Builders. And we're working on a 8,400 square foot home here in Guysville, Ohio. We have Kim Dean here today doing a blower door test, trying to test the tightness of my spray foam work. And Ken, if you want to give a little bit of background about yourself and what we're doing today.
Okay. The purpose of the blower door test at this stage is to quantify and locate leaks in the house so that they can be addressed before they get covered up in order to make the house more energy efficient and more comfortable. So we've currently turned it down to a lower volume. We'll kick it up briefly so we can see our number at 50 pascals, which is the test standard. So the blower will ramp up and we'll see a CFM measurement of how much leakage we have at this rate. This will stabilize in a moment. It's adjusting to find 50 pascals, so we can see we've got about a 2,500 CFM leakage rate. Typically we're looking for less than a 1-to-1 ratio. Leakage rate compared to square footage. So with an 8,000, and I'm rounding it off, 8,000 square foot floor area in this house, we are well below that. That would be an 8,000 leakage. We are at approaching 25% of that leakage, which means that the house will be tight, comfortable, protected against the elements, and a very satisfied customer in the long run for all three of us, which means fewer callbacks and greater satisfaction all around. I'll take the number, I'll take it back down so we can carry on the description.
We can edit this. Yeah.
Walked through and felt and used smoke to identify the leaks that we could, and we're going to see, in fact we even had to add a ring to the blower. Previously it was an open blower because of the volume that was going through it. It then said we were too low and we had to add the ring to narrow the orifice, and we're ready to fire it up for the last time to find out what our final leakage number is. So it's ramping up to negative 50 pascals. We call it 2,200 CFM leakage for a house that is 8,400 square foot floor area. A phenomenal result. We're very pleased. Yeah, we